Have you ever wondered how much Tesla stock will be worth in the coming years? With the recent increase in Tesla's stock price, investors are confident that the company will only bring forth good results from here on. Stay tuned and keep watching to know more about this. To much of the investors' delight, Tesla stock has been experiencing a very welcome surge in prices, although not by much. However, a small change is still a change. What investors can only hope for at this point is for the company's stocks to no longer experience a dip like they did in recent months. In today's video, you will see predicted Tesla prices each year until 2035. Tesla was founded in 2003 by a group of engineers who had the vision to revolutionize the auto industry by creating fully functional electrically powered vehicles, or EVs. Contrary to popular belief, Tesla was not founded by Elon Musk. Its founders were engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. However, Musk was instrumental to Tesla's success, as he invested in the company and helped it raise money from venture capitalists and angel investors back in the day. Tesla is currently headed by Elon Musk and is headquartered in Austin, Texas. The company has manufacturing facilities in the U.S., specifically in Texas, Nevada, California, and Buffalo, as well as in China and Germany. A majority of Tesla analysts think you should buy its stock, with many believing the price can rise above $1,000. There's a wide disparity in expert opinions, however, and the average price prediction is around $800 thanks to a few determined outliers foreseeing a steep fall back to the $200 to $300 range. According to data from Koifin, a financial data and analytics platform for researching stocks, Tesla has accumulated gains of 12,745.7% in the past 10 years, compared with the 373.5% and 190.7% returns produced by the NASDAQ US 100 and the S&P 500 US 500 index, respectively, during that same period. This means that the company's share value has grown at a compounded annual growth rate of 62.4%, a high return that hasn't necessarily come without hiccups along the way. In November 2021, Tesla hit all-time highs post-splits at $1,243 a share, but changes in the macroeconomic backdrop led to a significant decline in stock value. After that, as investors adopted a risk-off attitude due to the Federal Reserve's increasingly hawkish actions. Investors must be aware that past results are no guarantee of future performance, which means they should not base their Tesla stock predictions on historical price action. According to the latest long-term forecast, Tesla's price will hit $700 by the middle of 2022 and then $900 by the end of 2025. Tesla will rise to $1,000 within the year of 2027, $1,200 in 2028, $1,300 in 2029, $1,400 in 2031, $1,500 in 2032, and $1,600 in 2034. Tesla prices started in 2022 at $1,095. By the end of August, Tesla traded at $275.61, so the price decreased by 75% from the beginning of the year. The forecasted Tesla price at the end of 2022 is $464, and the year-to-year change is minus 58%. The rise from today to year-end plus 68%. In the first half of 2023, the Tesla price will climb to $565. In the second half, the price would add $4 and close the year at $569, which is up 106% to the current price. According to experts, Tesla stock could reach $1,200 in 2022 if it grows by 35% over the year. That's the average growth estimate from a group of more than 30 analysts, but it should be noted that not everyone agrees. One of the most bearish predictions comes from JP Morgan's team of analysts, who set their December 2022 target at $250. The same 35% growth estimate would have Tesla at around $1,600 by 2023. Some forecasts are even more bullish, predicting annual growth of 70%, which would see the price at $2,600 by the end of 2023. Most longer-term Tesla stock forecasts have the stock priced at between $1,000 and $5,000. You should note that predictions beyond the next couple of years are more speculative, but it is possible to estimate the size of the electric vehicle market and price Tesla accordingly. ARK Investment Management had a price target of $1,400 for 2024, which they have since suggested might be on the low side. Many predictions are based on the fact that Tesla expects to increase sales by 50% annually, which would help the company to keep increasing its share price by thousands of dollars. $3,000 is one price target for Tesla in 2025, based on their share of the EV market growing considerably over the next few years. ARK analyst estimated that the company could sell around 10 million cars by then, a 20 times increase on its 2020 performance. Cathie Wood-led firm ARK Invest, however, presented an updated valuation model that shows Tesla shares valued at $4,600 by 2026 from its 2021 open-source Tesla model that outlined their expected value of $3,000 per share in 2025. They updated their stance due to material changes, including autonomous ride-hail assumptions and inputs, capital efficiency estimates, and the forecast has been pushed forward by 1 year to 2026. What are your Tesla stock price predictions for the next few years? Let us know in the comments section below. Others predict that 2024 to 2028 would bring a significant increase. Tesla's price would move from $569 to $1,263, which is up 122%. Tesla will start 2024 at $569, then soar to $673 within the first 6 months of the year and finish 2024 at $758. That means plus 175% from today. Perhaps the most optimistic prediction of all has the Tesla share price at around $45,000 by 2030, a 50-fold increase on the 2021 figure. The company would be worth $1.5 trillion by that reckoning. In 2029 to 2033, the Tesla price is predicted to rise from $1,263 to $1,582, which is up by 25%. Tesla will start 2029 at $1,263, then soar to $1,289 within the first half of the year, and finish 2029 at $1,316. It is about plus 377% from today. That said, investors should look at the competition and what they are doing to determine if their vehicles may eventually eat up a portion of Tesla's pie. According to data from the Kelley Blue Book, an Irvine, California-based vehicle valuation and automotive research company, Tesla's vehicles accounted for 75% of sales in units of electric cars in the US in the first 3 months of 2022. However, Tesla is also looking to become a major player in other places, such as China and Europe, where it will have to compete with other automaker giants. Wallet Investor, a third-party forecasting service, has estimated a Tesla 5-year forecast averaging at $2,588.10, more than doubling its current price. Another algorithm-based forecasting service, GovCapital, has a baseline Tesla stock 5-year forecast of $4,400.11 by early August 2027. Both estimations indicated a sizable upside potential for Tesla within the next 5 years. However, many things can happen during that period to affect the price. In the last 3 years, Tesla's free cash flow has seen an increase, rising from negative $221 million to $8.34 billion. This represents a growth of 3,873.76%. Analysts predict that Tesla's free cash flow will increase in the upcoming year, reaching $8.59 billion. This would represent an increase of 2.96%. Over the next 9 years, experts predict that Tesla's free cash flow will grow at a rate of 468.42%. On the other hand, Tesla's revenue has seen impressive growth in the last 3 years, rising from $21.46 billion to $53.82 billion, a growth of 150.79%. In the next year, analysts believe that revenue will reach $67.49 billion, an increase of 25.38%. For the next 9 years, the forecast is for revenue to grow by 449.92%. Meanwhile, Tesla's net income has grown in the last 3 years, moving from negative $976 million to $5.52 billion, an increase of 665.47%. The following year, experts forecast that Tesla's net income will decrease by 39.8%, reaching $3.32 billion. Looking ahead to 9 years, experts forecast that net income will grow by 252.14%. It is important to bear in mind that analyst and algorithm-based predictions can be wrong. They are based on an analysis of the Tesla share price history. Past performance never guarantees future results. Traders are encouraged to perform adequate due diligence on the company before making any trading decision, and never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. There are several factors that affect the price of Tesla stock, including electric vehicle sales, supply chains, Bitcoin price, competition, and its very controversial CEO, Elon Musk. Visit our channel for more Tesla stock content.